How to transfer money from bank account to Cash App. What's up, everyone? If you want to transfer your money from your bank account to Cash App, first of all, open up Cash App and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, from here, simply head over to the account section to link a bank. Once you tap on the account profile, you will have an option called Link Banks right below. Just tap on it. And then from here, you can see your existing linked banks if there are any up top. But if you don't have any linked banks, just tap on the plus icon to link a bank. From here, you're going to have to agree to its terms and conditions and tap on continue. After that, select the bank that you want to connect with your account. And then finally, once your bank has been linked, you're going to go to your Cash App profile again and then click on the balance or the bank option at the bottom left corner. Now from here, you have two options. So you can either add cash or cash out from here. So if you want to add cash to this account, just tap on add, and then you could always select a predefined amount, or if you want to add a custom amount, tap on the three dots right besides $200 and then confirm your PIN after entering the amount. Once you confirm your PIN, you should be able to add money to your Cash App from your bank account. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll catch you on the next one.